Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is November 4th, 2025, and in this video, we'll bring you the latest update on Eos Energy Enterprises, ticker symbol EOSC, along with a trading strategy to consider. As of the latest market close, EOSC is trading at $15.62, down about 2.56% from the previous close. The stock has shown strong growth recently, up more than 80% over the last month and over 370% in the past year, reflecting rising investor interest in its zinc-based energy storage solutions designed for utility and grid-scale applications. Eos Energy continues to expand its production capacity, targeting a 2 GWh annual production rate by the end of 2025. The company's commercial pipeline has grown substantially, with recent strategic partnerships and a $336 million financing round strengthening its position. Despite this rapid growth, EOSC still reports a net loss due to investments in scaling and technology development. Technically, EOSC is trading well above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which stand near $11.35 and $6.65 respectively, indicating a strong upward trend. Upcoming earnings expected on November 10th could be a market mover. For trading strategy, consider buying on dips near the $15 level with a stop loss around $14 to manage downside risk. The near-term price target could be near the recent high around $19, with further upside possible if earnings and new contracts impress the market. Given the volatility and growth profile, appropriate position sizing and risk management are essential. In summary, Eos Energy Enterprises presents an attractive growth opportunity in the clean energy storage sector, but requires careful risk oversight. Watch for earnings results and updates on production scale-up as key catalysts. Thanks for watching this EOSC stock update for November 4th, 2025. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily market insights. Happy trading!